purchased this PDF, this printable. I purchased this from a shop on Etsy. I thought that this would be a great example to share with you, friends. The idea that if you have a craft, or you know of something like even how to cook or how to bead or do glass work or anything like that, that printables are an opportunity for you to document that and then to sell it. And like I said, this piece here that I'm sharing, this printable, is laid out very well, has the basics, tools needed, the materials needed, and it goes through a step-by-step process, cut list. This, like I said, it doesn't apply to, this concept doesn't have to apply to woodworking. If you had a way that you cooked something or baked something, sewn, or any type of craft, printables are a good solution. And as you can see in this printable, in this instruction, how to, I mean, they're very basic. They take pictures. They don't have to do any fancy drawings. This can all be done in Canva. I have a template that is similar, I mean, in the concept of this, but you can design it however you would like. And look at this. I mean, they have step 3.0, assembling the legs, the back legs, and step 4.0, just how to attach screws. This might be something that can be produced in Canva as well, this little diagram section here. But I want to get over to the how-to, the project, what I'm calling the project template. And this is something for you to work with and to expand on, as similar as I had shared with the 2x4. So, sorry, the 2x4 bench. 2x4 bench. And yeah, you can see, like I said, it's just very basic, very generic. I mean, they was a step. Oh, and then there was a step 5.1. It's totally to you. And these sell. I mean, if you have a craft, imagine that you're always constantly making something and you have to produce it and it's handmade, and everybody keeps asking you the question, the big ultimate, hairy, scary, how do you do this? And then you should be able to say, ... I can do that with a printable. I can show you how to do that with a printable. And then back to the template here to really recap everything. I have it broken down. You'd have your project title that you can put your information in. You can drag and drop over on top of the picture. You're going to add your picture over there, and then you're going to scroll here. You have your project title again, which you put in your description of your project. You'd have a little bit of text there, and you will need, and then just some different information maybe for your cover sheet, and then your steps. And then if you want to add steps to this, you can say this is going to be something different like step 3.1. You would just come up here, hit duplicate, and then you can put in step 3.1, just like that. You come down here and you just type in step 3.1. Just as simple as that. If you need to add a page, let's say you have 10 steps, you just come up to here, you hit duplicate again, and then this could be step 4. And then, of course, we take out 4.1, and then could come up to here and change that however we like. So, I got to make this, because I'm going to share this template, I better make this step 4 right there. And then you just put in your description. Maybe your picture is a little bit bigger, maybe it's smaller. Feel free to check it out. Check out this template. Again, I cannot express enough that this opportunity of a printable of something you know how to do or people are asking you how to do is extremely lucrative. I can't even imagine what the margins are, the profit, the passive income. That's what it is, the passive income that is being generated through the shop from plans like this, and offering it on their Etsy shop. Now, this is a $10 plan, and I can imagine that they have quite a following with it. And as you can see, I mean, it's the end. So, like I said, recap, here's a template for you, just like what we've been doing the other printables projects with. It's very simple. Tailor it however you like. Use it. Come up with your own, just like they have here. There you go. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Talk to you again soon.